All right, so today I have a brand new sneaker unboxing for you guys, and this one I am majorly excited about. This is a pair that I was planning on copping this Saturday, but instead I have an early preview for you guys courtesy of Jordan Brand. So big shout outs to them for letting me share these with you guys a little bit ahead of the release day. So hopefully this gives you a good enough look so you can determine if you want to grab a pair. Of course, I'm going to do it on feet, but I had to do this unboxing video quick, and I'm not going to do just some random on feet at the end of this video. I have to do the how-to style video with a couple outfits, so that will be dropping soon. But first things first, I gotta check these out and share them with you guys. So let's get into these kicks real quick. Yes sir, not that standard Jordan box. So instead of the standard Jordan box, we've got the Air Jordan International box, and it's navy with gold accents. Very cool. It's awesome anytime they switch up the packaging. It's a little something, you know, it doesn't mean everything, but as people that appreciate sneakers as much as we do, it's the little things and small details like this that are important. Promo tags on the side, and the colorway is Sail, Sport Royal, Light Bone, and Fire Red. You guys probably have a pretty good guess as to what these are by now, but if you don't, we have the Air Jordan 3 International Flight. And wow, these things are on point for sure. The first thing I noticed was the leather quality. It's a super nice tumbled leather that you have on the upper here. I've got Jordan 3s, the black cements right here, and it's definitely a little bit better of leather quality on these International 3s than you get on the black cement 3s. So you are gonna get your money's worth. The retail price is $190 on these, so there's no price hike, even though you get some extras on here, a ton of details that I'm gonna go over in 1 second. All right, so let's talk about the inspiration and colorway on this sneaker real quick. So it draws inspiration from a 1988 Celebrity All-Star game that Jordan was in. He was rocking fire red 3s in that game, and his uniform was a royal blue. So that's why you have the combination of fire red and sport royal on here. It's all brought together by this sail white color. It looks like a pure white on camera, I'm sure, but this is actually somewhat of an off-white. So if you're unfamiliar with Jordan Brand's sail color, it's somewhat of an off-white. You get that same sail color on these shatter backboard ones. So again, it's not this pure white, and I actually like this tone a little bit better because it's not as flashy and in your face. It's a little bit more subtle and muted. I like that a lot. There's also a light bone color, which is a super soft gray, and you can see that in the elephant print on the tongue and other areas of the sneaker. And I really like the color blocking on here because Jordan didn't go crazy with the Sport Royal or the Fire Red. On the back of the shoe, you can see Sport Royal Jumpman logos. On the left sneaker, you've got Michael Jordan's autograph done in Sport Royal, and I think that's a really cool additional detail, something we've never seen on a Jordan sneaker that I can think of, especially not a Jordan 3. And this signature is representing Michael Jordan's autographs that he would sign on his international tours, memorabilia that he would autograph. So it's really cool to see that on just the left tongue of this sneaker and not the right. You've got custom footbeds in this sneaker. They're red and they have the Jordan International logo, same logo that you see on the front of the box. There's also a star pattern that's on the inner lining of the sneaker, and then the outsole also has hits of Fire Red and Sport Royal. I was looking on release calendars and seeing where these were gonna drop, and I don't think they're flooded, so I'm pretty sure they're not gonna be everywhere. So let me know down in the comment section if you guys are going to be picking up a pair of these. They are part of the Air Jordan International pack. There's also a pair of 5s and retro 12s that are going to be dropping. I really like those 12s. Those things are super clean, but this is the first sneaker of the bunch that's going to be releasing this Saturday, June 30th. So let me know if you're going to pick up a pair or what you think about these. It's kind of a nice combination of like a true blue and a fire red 3 in my opinion. Just the color on the upper is a little bit different with that sail, but definitely a cool sneaker and something I was planning on picking up, but instead Jordan Brand had my back. So huge thank you to them. Keep an eye out for that on feet how-to style video that'll be dropping soon. Make sure you hit the thumbs up on this one and subscribe if you're new. A bunch of content is on the way, like a ton of stuff. I have these Kyrie sneakers down here that I'm going to show you guys really soon that I'm super excited about, and then a lot of other things. So keep an eye out for these videos. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Have a good weekend. I will talk to you later. Peace.